Hi kids, Namaste. How are you all? Hope you're all enjoying your stay at home. Now today in this beautiful video, we are going to learn a new lesson that is about compound adjectives. Compound adjectives is an important topic for public examinations, and this is there in chapter 2 of class 10th students. So 10th students, please prepare this video carefully, and also I will send some list of compound adjectives. Please take them in your notes and please read them and prepare for your examinations. So if you have any doubts, please immediately post your doubts to me and I'll answer either in a phone call or through text. Please send your doubts, and please don't forget to prepare this compound adjectives lesson very carefully. And don't forget, stay home and be safe. Now we shall learn this beautiful topic, that is compound adjectives. Let's get ready.
This video is about compound adjectives. We're going to learn about compound adjectives in English. Compound adjectives. Let's see some examples. I saw a man eating alligator. I saw a man eating alligator. What is the difference between these two? Can you find? Here, towards your left, man eating is joined with a hyphen, but here it is not having any hyphen. Man eating, the combination with hyphen says that it is a single word. What type of alligator it is? It is a man eating alligator. It is not a carrot eating alligator or anything. It is a man eating alligator. So what is it? A compound adjective is an adjective that contains two or more words joined by a hyphen. So please remember and write down this definition. Once again, I will say and read for you. A compound adjective is an adjective that contains two or more words joined by a hyphen. Okay, so as it is seen there above, man eating joined by a hyphen. So I saw a man eating alligator. So what type of alligator it is? Man eating. It's a man eating alligator. They appear before a noun and act as a single idea that describes something. Now before the alligator, these two words are mentioned and joined by a hyphen. So it is describing the alligator. What type of alligator it is? It is a man eating alligator. This alligator usually eats human beings, so it is described as man eating alligator. Now let's see the other side. I saw a man eating alligator. Okay, what is this? We are talking about how we saw a man who was eating an alligator. We are not describing alligator. So I saw a man eating alligator. Here human being is eating the alligator, and the picture that is shown there will give you a clear idea of how compound adjectives can be read and understood. So this side, it is what type of alligator? It is a man eating alligator. Here human being is eating the alligator. That is the meaning of it. So as you can see, the hyphen can make a big difference in the meaning of the sentence. Exactly. And if you don't put the hyphen, see what a type of sentence you will make. I saw a man who was eating alligator. So that is the type of understanding you will get. So hyphen is very important for differentiating the compound adjectives. A compound adjective is an adjective that contains two or more words joined by a hyphen. I live, let's see some example. I live in an English speaking country. So English speaking is connected with a hyphen and it is a compound adjective. And if we ask a question, what type of quality of the country? English speaking country. What type of country it is? It is a English speaking country. So English speaking is a compound adjective. And by the way, compound means two. Now she is a world famous singer. What kind of singer is she? The quality of the singer is being world famous. So we do not put a hyphen between two adjectives So when we use two adjectives in a sentence to refer to different adjectives, then we don't keep hyphen. But when we use them as one adjective, compulsorily we have to keep an hyphen. She has a big blue book. So these are two different types of adjectives that are describing the book. Now one more example. He lives in an old coal mining town. So old is an adjective and coal mining is another compound adjective. So one simple adjective is used in the sentence, and again compound adjective is used here. So coal mining town. What kind of town it is? It is old and coal mining. So there are mines, and so one is simple adjective, the other one is compound adjectives. So this is the way we have to understand. So how compound adjectives and single adjectives can be used in the same type of sentence. So children, I think it is very, very clear for you. So please make a note of all this, and try to find out more examples for this compound adjectives, so that it will be easy for you to answer the questions that come in your examinations. Now compound adjectives, how do we make? Let's see now how the number plus period of time is used for making a compound adjective. 5 minute, 3 hour, 10 day, 6th month, 20 year. So all these are compound adjectives which are used with number plus period of time. So one sign of making compound adjectives with number and period of time. So I work an 8-hour day. So 8-hour is a compound adjective. So not 8 hours day. This is wrong. So you must make it a singular form. So as it is, period of time needs to be in singular form. Always remember, whenever you express period of time, you must express it in singular form. So I work an 8-hour day, not 8 hours day. I work 8 hours day. I work 8 hours every day. So this is, how do you differentiate from the I work an 8-hour day, I work 8 hours every day? Here 8 is describing the meaning of this. I work an 8-hour day, meaning is I work 8 hours every day. That is the meaning of it. I had a 3-week occasion. I had a 3-week vacation. I went on vacation for 3 weeks. That is the meaning of the sentence. There was a 5-second delay. There was a delay of 5 seconds. So now 8-hour, 3-week, 5-second. These are the compound adjectives, and they are expressed in singular form, not plural form. This is the thing that you must notice in this page, my dear children. So now number plus singular noun. If number and singular noun come, how do we express the compound noun? Compound adjectives we are going to see now. Second type of compound adjectives making is using noun plus singular noun. For example, 5 minute, 3 hour, 10 story, 1 way, 20 page. I had to print a 10-page document. So 10 is number, page is singular noun. You need to go down that one-way street. One is number, way is noun. We live in a 2-story house. 2 is number, story is noun. Okay? We live in a 2-story house. We live in 2-story house. What is the meaning of this two? We live in a two-story house and we live in a story house. Now, anyway, the third type of making compound adjectives is using adjective plus noun. For example, last minute, full length, short term, long distance, high quality. I made a last minute decision to stay at home. Now, last minute is a compound adjective. Last is adjective, minute is noun. Most of their staff are on short term contracts. Short is adjective, term is noun. Now, adjectives and present participles. Using these two, we can make compound adjectives. Good looking, long lasting, easy going, tight fitting, quick thinking. These are the compound adjectives. By using adjective and present participle, we make them. It left a long lasting taste in my mouth. Long is adjective, lasting is present participle. She wore a pair of tight fitting jeans. Tight is adjective, fitting is present participle. Now, compound adjectives making with noun plus present participle. We shall see some of them. Mouth watering, record breaking, time saving, English speaking. These are the compound adjectives made from using noun plus present participle. Now, let's see some of the examples. I bought some mouth watering strawberries. Mouth is noun, watering is present participle. That was a record breaking jump. I used to live in a Spanish speaking country. Spanish is noun, speaking is present participle. So this is so simple, my dear children, and you must make a list of all these using adjective plus present participle like that. Now, noun plus adjective. World famous, smoke free, ice cold, gluten free, family friendly, and so on. So, using this noun plus adjectives, make some more list. We often go to the family friendly restaurant near our house. So, family is noun, friendly is adjective. There is nothing better than an ice cold drink on a hot day. Noun and adjective. Could you buy me some gluten free cookies, please? So, these are the compound adjectives. Now, using noun plus past participle, we can make compound adjectives. Wind powered, sun dried, middle aged, water cooled. These are the noun plus past participle compound adjectives. We should start using wind powered generators to cut costs. I added some sun dried tomatoes to the platter. My new water cooled gaming PC is quieter than my old one. Now, wind powered, sun dried, water cooled. All these three words are made from using noun plus past participle. Now, adverb and past participle using, we can make compound adjectives. For example, brightly lit, well known, densely populated, highly respected. These are the compound adjectives which we use to make compound adjectives. So this classroom is a brightly lit room. He is a well-known actor. They live in a densely populated city. Now, dear children, brightly lit, well-known, densely populated. These are the compound adjectives. Now, using adjective plus past participle, we can make some more compound adjectives. Please search in your book with all these rules, as many lists as possible, some compound adjectives. Now, using adjective plus past participle, we can make compound adjectives like old-fashioned, long forgotten, ready-made, and short-lived. I found a long-forgotten painting in the attic. He doesn't like to cook, so he buys ready-made meals. They had a short-lived romance. Now, short-lived, ready-made, long-forgotten. All these are compound adjectives. Now, compound adjectives, it is the first page that you have seen, and again you children are seeing, and the rules are again given here, and I want all these rules to be written in your book, and for each one you have to collect as many number of words as possible. Okay, and that will give you a good understanding of English and about compound adjectives. Thank you, children.